When I lost a good job, I sit there and I said, Lord, what am I going to do now? Because I knew the Lord had an answer. Sometimes we have to lose something for God to get us to a better place. You know, because we get stuck sometimes. We get stuck and we won't move forward. You see, sometimes God has to take his blessings from us. Sometimes he takes those blessings for a reason. Because he's trying to get you to have a closer walk. He's trying to get us closer to him. Not only is he trying to make me a better husband and a better father, but God knows that if I can just hold on to his unchanging hand, every circumstance I go through, it's going to be so much better. Don't you know it? Don't you know it? Sometimes you have to walk around with an empty pocket. And that's when you see your friends change on you. That's what Job's friends did. They looked at him and said, Job, you must have sinned. You must have done something wrong. Won't they accuse you? Won't they point at you? I remember a young man walked up to me and said, oh, you lost that job? Oh, now you won't be able to dress like you've been dressing? You won't be able to drive those nice cars like you've been driving? And you won't have money in your pocket. I said, that's all right. I still serve the Lord. And you know what? I got even closer to God then. Because if you get closer to God, God will get closer to you. God will pour out his blessing all over this place. If you just trust him. He just wants a closer walk with you. He just wants a closer walk. And look, just when you think that Job would have turned his back on God, that's when he fell down and he worshiped him. Fell down in the dirt, covered himself with dirt, got in sackcloth, and just started worshiping. Lord, you still God. Lord, you've been good to me all down through the years. Lord, I'm going to continue to trust you, lean and depend on you. And look what it says right here in chapter 2. It says, and again, there was a day when the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord. And Satan came among them to present himself before the Lord. And the Lord said unto Satan, from whence cometh thou? And Satan answered the Lord and said, from going to and fro in the earth, and from walking up and down in it. And the Lord said unto Satan, hast thou considered my servant Job? You see, we all ought to be a Job. We should be like Job, because no matter what, Job stood fast with God. See, God didn't leave us. God just calls us to come closer together and to call upon his holy name. We became closer entwined in the community. Churches reached out. Neighbors reached out to one another. Families reached out to each other. So many hurting people in the community. But look what happened. The community reacted.